Good morning. I slept for like 4 hours last night, so I'm really excited. I went to sleep at like 10, woke up at midnight. I couldn't go back to sleep till like 4 a.m. So now he opens the door. Already clocked in because I'm late. I'm so tired. I'm turning on the lights and the fan. I normally listen to music on my headphones when I'm opening, but since this is a special occasion, we'll be putting music on the speakers. I'm gonna listen to Jeff Buckley. Yes, since you guys are here. I have to talk and, you know, I don't know where everything is. What the fuck? What the hell's going on? Who closed last night? So normally we have like ladles, the drip pans for the the crush dispenser's broken. That's not good. But normally they'll lay out like the ladles and like make it look nice. But I'm assuming they're all in here. That's fine. I like how aesthetically pleasing it is though when the ladles are out. But I'm gonna turn the music on so it's not so like deafeningly silent in here. I've been working here for almost 2 years. It'll be 2 years in January, January, that time. So yeah, I've been on this opening grind for like 2 damn years. Put some respect on my fucking name. I'm more of a morning person, so like staying up that late really makes me delirious sometimes. What? Bro, I love the 90s playlist, but it's always like there's some like weird songs where it's like suck my dick. It's like, what the fuck? Bro, I'm losing my shit already. Okay, let me cue a song because I'm already tired of this. Let's just listen to some Jeff Buckley. It's my favorite music artist. Sorry, this is probably so, like, I'm way too tired. Let's get this shit crack-a-lackin'. First oh damn, I need to count the register. I'll count the register. I need a pen though. See the kind of world we live in. I also just like to make sure all the bills are like straight. I know this is like kind of psychotic. I don't know. This is my favorite song by Jeff Buckley. Lover You Should Have Come Over. It's from his album Grace. He died in 1997 the week he drowned. He was just not a strong swimmer and he was taken under by the wake of a tugboat. It actually is so sad. It like breaks my heart. When I saw the movie, his documentary, all I did was cry. We turned on the fridge light, which is super important. Obviously, you gotta make sure everything's illuminated. But then you take off these syrup caps just so that you can use the syrups. Bro, I don't know why I'm like going so into detail. Every morning I watch the nail salon ladies get dropped off by their boyfriends and then they proceed to sit in our furniture. When I leaf blow, I should be like, hey, can you move? Because I don't want to like leaf blow you. And they give me like they look at me crazy like, oh, what? Bro, I wonder how close. Bro, they left there's more in here. More syrup caps. Yeah, I gotta see who closed because what the fuck's going on here? You come in here, you open all these things. What is today? You check the dates to see if you have to like dump anything out. That's like, honestly, that's like the first thing I do to mentally prepare myself, like what I'm gonna have to get rid of, what I'm not gonna have to get rid of. Oh, Jesus. This is Crush White. This one is good for energy. This one's Crush Yellow Botanical Tea. This one's good for like mental focus, clarity. So these are all of our like botanical teas. And then we also have Blue Lotus in here, which is a mild aphrodisiac. It's not like taking a rhino pill. Don't worry. It's also really good for dreaming, promoting dreaming and lucid dreaming, which I think is really cool. Blue Lotus is like my personal favorite tea that we have here besides Kava. I mean, you know me, you know I love Kava. I love the Kava shots. I literally like... So we grab a bunch of ladles. We'll see if we need more in a second. And then you put them in the buckets. I didn't grab enough. And since the crush dispensers are broken right now, I'm gonna have to leave a ladle out because I'm gonna be using it. I usually set up the sinks so that way they're just kind of out of the way. I don't really fill them till like about 9:30. The water's gonna get cold. Should I turn on the TVs? Let's turn on the TVs. This is one of the fun parts. You get to turn on the TV. It's on. But we put a little slide. Why is it talking? What is happening? Let's turn on this little slideshow so everyone can see what we're all about. I always put on Criminal Minds because if I put on anything else, there's always some type of protest, so. I also gotta turn this thing on. Laziness is not good. Any of you Gen Alphas listening, laziness is not good, okay? You need to, I don't know the word. Go for it. Go for it, champ. I don't know what's wrong with me. Kill me. See? They're out there and I have to go leaf blow them now. I went through that whole process. These TVs are a little difficult because the remote it's not as good as she used to be. You gotta do what you gotta do. John Cena, bro. Can't see me. Dude. Okay. I think we're in business with the TVs finally. I'm gonna take this shit out of my pockets. 8:52. I'm going outside. It's freaking hot out there. I'm gonna leaf blow now. You'll also need to wipe down like the little tables we have outside in the morning. That's just something I do because like those tables tend to get pretty sticky and like pretty gross when you're not taking care of them. So sorry, Vape King is in town. It's one of my favorite songs by Queen, Radio Gaga. Come in here. It's a little cluttered right now. It doesn't usually look like this. Do with that what you would. Fight tooth and nail to get this thing. And then you grab the battery. Yeah, bet you not. Then we go leaf blow. They knew I was coming. Here, I'm gonna grab this because it's also dirty. I kind of just transfer it all into one thing and do the trip all in one go. Good morning to you too. After both of my shifts today, I'm probably gonna go to the gym. Yeah, I have a membership at that gym. Try to stay in why is this out here, bro? I try to stay in shape. Hello. It's super loud. And just like that, it looks semi-better. Convince myself that it looks 10 times better so that I feel better about leaf blowing. Like, I don't do it every day, but sometimes it just like looks really shabby. Ugh. It's so hot outside. And we take the sign out. And we always put the sign to the side, because some people think it's okay to put it in the walkway. Pin these on one here. The tea times are super popular. Obviously, there's like none in the fridge. Those are full spectrum botanical tea extract seltzers. So it's a great alternative to alcohol. Yeah, this table was looking especially grody this morning, so we're just gonna like... This table has literally been here since like the dinosaurs. We actually used to have a wood table out here, but can't trust these people. Now we put the cushions out. Holy shit. This cushion's kind of fucked up, so I put it to the side so you don't see the lip in it, but besides the point. I'm gonna go put this away and then turn on the open sign, because I'm not ready out here. And I lucky hate how big this is. It's so annoying. Oh my gosh. Bro, it's one thing after fucking another. It's cold. Yeah, it's cold in here. I need to go get crushed red. Or crushed green. Yes. Ah! Since the crush dispensers are broken, it kind of really puts a tinker in my tin because I have to like grab everything manually and it's a lot more work I would like to do. I don't know. Yeah, Jordan's chill. This process would be 10 times quicker if the bags weren't in there, but I'm not doing that right now. Okay, now we have the drinks. So it's like the most popular one. Everyone gets it. Almost everyone. I kind of messed up my timing there with opening. I usually am like done with the leaf blowing by the time I should like turn on the open sign, but got here late. Now I'm reaping what I sowed. I made my bed, I shall lie in it. I have like this innate desire for it to be very organized when I work. Damn it. What color pen should we use today? Oh yeah, guys, so explanation for the last video here. That item was not used. It was bought like that day, like literally 6 hours before the video was made. I had my friend go buy it for me. It cost me $85, but I think it was really funny, so honestly it was worth it. And I think I'm gonna be a little evil and re-gift it to someone on Christmas, but we usually have like a white elephant or like a secret Santa thing here, so whoever's unlucky and / lucky enough to receive that, you're welcome. But now I'm finishing adding up the totals for the count because I didn't do that earlier. Back down. My hands are also really shaky, so that's not a good sign. I'm gonna make a drink. I'm gonna make a botanical tea drink. I'm probably gonna do the yellow strain. Oh, hey, Mike. Working here as long as I have. I love the menu drinks. Like, they taste like home, but I do like to change it up every now and then. So right now I'm doing like blackberry passion fruit lemonade. Forgot to put this away, so I'm gonna do that now. We put it in the fridge down here. I have like a million buckets. We get the measuring glass, measuring cup, whatever you want to call it. I like a lot of juice in my drinks, and there's like no ice, but I'm gonna scoop up every piece I. I'm gonna organize this. Yeah, if you can't tell, I'm like extremely particular when I work. I'm over here catching strays. Botanical tea affects everyone like pretty differently from what I've seen. I typically drink red the most, and then my other one will be yellow. A lot of people do white. I personally just can't do it because it just gets me a little too wired. So yellow is like my perfect medium. Boom. A drink. And then you grab a lid. What do you want to? What do you want? People leave them here a lot. It's just keepers, finders, reapers. Here's my drink. Should I talk? I'm gonna talk. Right now I'm making Jess's drink. Jess is the Jess, where are you? COO. Okay. Jess is the COO. I always get confused with all the C's and the O's and the E's and the F's. She gets an ocean reef with the white strain of botanical tea. Oh, bro. The lemonade like went all over the place. Super full scoop of ice because he just likes her ice. Then you do the thing with the ladle and you mix it. Boom, ba, bam. Who likes that? Got an ocean reef with white. Put the lid on.
Oh, okay. I thought you said
November 8th.
November 6th is his birthday.
That's
And then November 8th is X-rated trivia. And I'm hosting.
See, at least they're fucking reminding you, bro.
It's trivia. And we ask X-rated questions, adults only, about only the things adults should know about. And then you win prizes that only adults should be using.
And we're also potentially going to have a sex toy vendor here during that.
Right now I'm about to brew the Blue Lotus stuff I was talking about earlier when I was opening all the little buckets. So you grab a little measuring spoon. I know this is the one for Blue Lotus because I use my intuition. My hands are like really unsteady. Yes, that's my food. Because we need this really bad because Mike's about to drink it all. Oh frick, I forgot to get them shots. It's fine. I'll do that after this. You guys like wait? I can't tell you that stuff, it's confidential. But yeah, you put the amount that you need in the bag and then you tie it up. I hate the tying process, but that's okay. Shit. I really thought you guys wouldn't notice.
I'll take it.
Okay. Then you grab my drink that I made earlier. Oh, this bagel smells so good. Cheers. Cheers. Yummy, yummy. Now I need to replace it. But since this thing doesn't fit on this thing, you gotta pour this thing into this one. Boom, ba, bam. Guest appearance. But yeah, the tape looks like it's like disintegrating. I'm gonna brew them both in one go because we need them expeditiously. Oh, Jordan just texted me and said she found our video on YouTube. I'm gonna put all these away. That's why I'm so strong. Ugh. This is heavy. So like, what, 8 gallons in total? And you get the door with your elbow, and the chair's in the way. Ugh. And you put them in the fridge, like so. I got a lot of stuff, not a lot of room to put in, but oh wait, I need these. Since Mike likes his drink shaken and goes through these about, like all of them in about 2 hours. Jess ordered more. She's a godsend. Love her so much. I don't know if that was you who did that, but
Yeah, we just had like a million of them in the cabinets in the store too. So I brought them all over here.
Yeah. You're working on the fucking power.
power just went out for like a split second. That TV was talking when I turned it on this morning.
That was creepy as fuck.
That was so weird.
Well, now I gotta turn on all the TVs.
Why is he doing that?
I don't know.
Make
bro.
it stop.
Why is she talking so fast?
I don't know how to make it stop. Bro. 1 down, 3 to go.
Yeah, every single one of those days.
I also try to take these in. Sorry, I'm like, hold on. Oh, okay. Trying to kill 2 birds with 1 stone here. Like, if I go bring buckets back there, I try to bring shit back out that I need. Restock this shit.
They're so good.
A bit ugly.
Why?
The raspberry.
Just like to the Yes, it is.
Really, don't even stay up. She's a drawstring. I feel like Laurel right now.
What's that? What's up?
Sent it to us.
Do you want them? She has pants on. This is from the traveling swim trunks.
No, look. Sometimes I think life isn't real. Thanks for watching. I love spending time with you guys. Just a reminder that we post every Monday and Thursday. You know, who doesn't want to see this sexy face?